Hi, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explore about purchase unit prices. This program is to let us know the detailed data variable related to purchase activity, especially about unit price. In the purchase unit prices menu, we have to enter specific data like who is the vendor, the item name, the unit, the domestic import status, currency, unit price, and also the begin date applying. Okay, and this function is to determine which item and how much is the price and from which vendor it comes from. First, take a look into the toolbar menu. We can perform new, inquiry, and also the save, and the delete row. And after that, we can see the inquiry condition. Like we have to set the base data apply. It will affect when we search the existing data or make the new one. And on the main screen, on the sheet, we can enter the vendor name, the item number, specification, unit, currency, manufacturer, and all this data is the cutout system. And double click on it and you will see the option. Like this, we click on the unit. Because every blue color data is the cutout, it means you can double click and the option will come out. Okay, and remember we have to fill the red color data because this is the mandatory. And there's one special feature on this menu that we can decide the period of the price. For example, item. For example, we make the item A and the item A has special price from the vendor until the end of the year. And on the next year, the price will be different. And you can set the rule in this menu. So you don't have to change it manually. And it will be proceed automatically. And as we said before, about the differentiation minimum order quantity with order batch size. For example, order quantity is 100 and this is order on the box shape. So inside each box will be 12 pieces. So minimum order quantity can be 100, but the order batch size can be 1200. Like this. So the main function of this menu is to give the company detailed information related with purchase activity, especially about the unit price. So make sure the data before you entry. And that's the final of purchase unit prices menu. And thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us an email. SystemEver, making your business better.